Jamrock home. Presents. When love turned hate. Jamaican full movies. Starring Sister Petra. Ethic Boss.
Is who calling me? Oh, oh Lord. Hello, good afternoon, my dear child. How you doing, Miss Fisher? I was just tidying up the place, man. Yes. What you mean by where is my husband? I don't know where he's at now because he leave from when and don't come back home. You don't know that me and him not depend nothing? No, him don't change. And it don't look like he wants to change either. Him not tell me the other day before him left that him going to give me a divorce. Me? Make him bring it on. Anytime you see them fine young girl, I saw them galang. Yes! Me not trying to fix nothing. If him want to galang, make him galang. Anything him want, make him want go meet it. It's coming to him. I am not wasting my precious time on him, so don't tell me that. Yes, we're coming from afar, and yes, we have children together that have nothing to do with me. So, because we're coming from far and have one heap of picnic together, you expect say him to disgrace me and disrespect me all the time? And I'm sure that is a young girl. Anytime you see one old man they behave so, is a young girl in the picture. Me not trying to fix nothing. Anything him want to make him go along, me will work with it. Listen, Miss Fisher. This is what you call me for today? To stress me out about me, man? Don't feel sorry for us at all. We are okay. He's doing very well and I am doing very well as well. And let me tell you, don't tell me that because we are friends and we used to do everything together. Yes, I understand. But you need to realize that we're living in different timing from back in the days. If him feels that him want to move with the millennium, let him go ahead. Me pastor always say, what coming to you, don't run go meet it. Let it come, because the bus must pass you. So you don't have to run go down the road go meet the bus. It have to pass this way. And that's what he's doing. I am not begging any friend from him. I don't want any friend from him. He don't know the use of a good woman at home. Anything he wants to do, let him do it. I cannot talk to you, Miss Fisher. I am very sorry, ma'am. It's a bad timing with me and you on the phone because I am tidying up the place. Have a good day. I'll talk to you and you don't call me. I will call you when I want to talk because you're just up stirring my brain up there, you know. And I was feeling good from morning and you just said, later, yeah, man. You can't bother. Come off of my phone, man. You don't know how to deal with things. You have to come stress me out this morning telling me about Jeremiah and if we make it up back. Make up back what? Don't like them kind of sitting here, I know.
Josiah?
Who you styling Josiah? So I am not your honey anymore. Who you calling Josiah? I said who you calling Josiah?
Here's the divorce paper.
Here is which divorce paper? Which divorce paper? So, take it out of my... Young man, take it out of my lap. If you don't want me and you in any bang around today. Take it out of my lap. I'm not even going to touch it because I don't...
pen here? They say all you need to do is sign your name right here.
Listen to me.
I need your signature right here.
I am not putting my... What is this?
It's the divorce paper. Don't you tell you that I'm going to serve your divorce?
Well, serve yourself because I am not taking any divorce paper and sign it. You say you want to be a problem.
Josiah, I tell you that I want to bring my woman in here, so I need you to sign off on this thing here. Because you're hindering her from coming here.
I am hindering your witch from coming here? So tell me something. You want to push me out for another person after me and you struggle and build this house? Well, let me tell you this. You know that you're ending up for a big war. Because it never go down in here.
Josiah, listen to what I'm saying.
What?
Right? Just sign off right here. I will split whatsoever this house value 50-50 between you and me. Right? I'm getting an evaluator come here today to evaluate. Yes, to evaluate the place.
So you have everything
planned out because it's time for me woman move in with me now.
Okay, honey.
So just sign off right here for me.
Please, in the name of the Lord, move the paper from me before I rip you up in her. You see how me there good and then Miss Fisher call and now you come here because disturb me, please.
When you calm down.
When me calm down, I said I'm not signing any paper. Are you telling me about you getting the evaluator to come to the house to evaluate what?
Listen to me.
Me not leaving. Me not coming out. And me don't want half or nothing because me not moving.
Josiah, listen to what I am
Don't call
saying.
me Josiah. You used to call me honey.
We are not married anymore. Right? I need you to leave out of this place by the latest weekend.
Who you talking to? Who you passing? You want me to honey or this and twist the glass by your face? You forget who you talking to? I will slap off the glass off of your face and a young man. You know who you talking to? Alright, if I don't come out by now a weekend, let me see what you want.
Well, if you don't come out, you know, I have the bailiff. We jog you out. But if you want to stay in here and come out by force, you know, so you can arrange that. I'm trying to make this as smooth as possible. Right?
Jeremiah,
all I need you to do is put your signature right here what the lawyer said. And if you don't sign it, it still can go through.
Well, if you know that it still can go through, why come here to disturb me? You know how long you don't come here for a few days and now you come out.
But you just
get out of my sight and leave me alone.
You see that I don't want you anymore.
Well, go to the missus and don't come here to disturb me in my own house. You know how long me live in here?
That has nothing to do with it.
I want to see which one you can come in here. Well, listen to me. Carry her come right in here for me and then you will see what happens.
Me never carry her in here. I'm never get somebody move you out of the house.
Well, that's what
because when the evaluator come today and then evaluate up the place and see how much it come to, all me do is draw the money and give you your house so you have to leave.
But the money that you're going to draw from, it's mine as well. So how you going to take it from me? How you going to take it from me to give to me? You stupid?
Remember that we have a split account, you know.
We
you
have
yours by yourself and me have mine. And we have a joint one together. So I'm going to give you the money out of my one because I want you to leave. You're hindering me, darling, you know. Me sweetheart, me honey bun from come here.
You know, say if me and then they come from far and make the phone print out in your jawbone. You know that if I didn't have pity on you, I would lend you the phone and make it fit right here. I am not going to sign it. Please to leave me alone.
So what you hanging on, pan? I tell you I don't want you.
I
don't want you anymore. So tell me now, why you can't just sign the paper? I don't want you. I don't want people to say me and you there. Me want to have this as proof to show them so we're not there together.
Alright, Jeremy.
Why you hang on pan this?
Don't shout at me in here. Listen to me. Alright, you say me hanging on to you because you don't want me. That's what you said. I am asking a simple question. I see you raging.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
A raging bull and expects me, Josiah, to afraid for you. Well, here you know. I don't want to put my fingerprint on anything. Any wrongdoing, I'm not in it. So you said to me that you can still get the divorce without me signing the paper. Go ahead. And don't shout at me anymore. And give it to me. I have news for you as well. You see that old piece of cloth, old piece of trash where you plan? If you can't come in here. let me tell you this. She is up for war. I don't want you either, I know. But because of the disrespect you disrespect me in here for her, I am going to...
But when you don't sign this paper, this come like say you're hanging on to me. I'm tell you that
you
I don't want you.
Oh,
I don't want you. I don't want to see you not even on my side for a minute.
well, that's the reason why you should have packed up and leave. You should have come for your yap and don't in any argument with me, you know.
I need you to go back to wherever you come from.
You should have known that before you married me for how many years? Huh?
Well, the marriage gets sour now.
Well,
and it's time for you to go.
Well, all right. I'm not going anywhere. Move out of my sight. I'm staying right here and I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to prove to you who is the better one in here.
Listen to me. Well, I'm trying to do it as peace and calmful as possible because you're coming from afar. And I don't want when time me push on the force now, the neighbor them go see. Yeah, if you jog out a door for your neck and all of them. So adopt me and run from me now. That's why you come to you in peace, love, and unity.
Peace,
but if you want it by brute force, I can arrange that for you.
You said that
So
you
by
don't
time
want
the
the
day to
neighbors.
done, you know what? I think you should keep this, you know.
Me? If you feel that you should leave it there because it's going to stay there and rotten. But here you now. You're talking about the neighbor them want to see you bull forcing me out here.
Not me. The government.
The government. Yes, the government was there when we went there. When you went there, call look me, the government went did it. Eh? Bring on the government. Anything you want to do. You don't remember who you're there with. That's the best thing to do. Pack up and leave. Leave if you have a problem.
See, you want war in this
Lord
state,
of mercy, Jeremiah, you know who you have to
I'm
do.
going to tell you one
Take
more
your
time.
hand out of my face.
The woman want to come here to live with me. And you end there in her. And the last time me I tell you is force me to go get you out of this house by. Since you don't want to live in peace.
Okay, honey.
Huh.
Okay, honey, go ahead. I see you have grown wings overnight. The few days you live with that woman, you have grown wings that you are coming to tell me that you want to bring your woman in here. And you're going to drag me out and you don't want the neighbors to see, so I should sign the paper. Well, all right. You are going to see who is the real mother of Josiah in here. Because it seems like when you were planning everything with your gal, you don't remember who me be. Well, all right. Is warm water on the want? Is war on the want go get from me?
You're right on time, man.
I was just about to call you Mr. Jeremiah. How
And
you
you
doing?
almost missed me, you know, because I was going away.
But you know that we were coming today, so why you don't leave?
Yes, I have business to take care of also, you
So
know.
don't, this is more important than the other business. This is very important and it's hard to get us, you know, sir.
I understand, but you could reach me on my cell phone if,
Yes,
if
but-
you come and don't see me.
All right, sir.
And Josiah inside the house also.
Oh, that's your wife?
Not anymore.
I don't understand, sir. So,
So what I want you to do, right? I want you to survey the whole premises
yes,
and give me an idea how much money this land value, also the house included on it, right?
the house as well, this nice house?
Yes, I want to know what everything on the land would have value and come to, the total.
Okay, sir. So why you don't want, if you and your wife live here, sir, you don't want this nice place to survey so you can know?
Well, me and my
Oh,
wife
sure.
is going through a divorce right now, so I would like to give her fair half of the money. I want to
Oh.
split the money half and half because she
Wow.
really deserves half of it, right?
Yes, sir. Oh my God. But sir, it's not my business still, but to how everything set up and something, why would you want to survey and give half or it's none of my business,
Well,
sir,
my
but I'm
child,
just saying that
When you reach the age as mine and you see something not working out, you find better. You see, when you find better, things come to an end. When you reach the age as
Sir.
mine you will understand.
I don't really want to partake of this because this is not what I come to do, sir. But to be honest with you, if me reach for your age, me not go to nobody else because I wouldn't have to work it out with my woman. Because you don't understand what is happening in the world today. You see, most of these people, where you see these young people, whether young man or young woman, them only want what people have. Them just want to dig out people's eyes. So if me like you, more than stay with my wife. But it's none of my business,
well,
sir. I'm
what
just
I am
here
trying to say, my woman that I find now, I can live with her. Right? She understand me and me understand her.
I saw it always
You
go
see, my
first,
wife,
sir. Yes, sir.
she's a pain in the... I don't want to say this and see if any... Look if any. I don't want to say. She's a pain round there. You know what I'm saying, right?
Yes, sir, but...
So, it's best if she go back which part she come from, her village or wherever she want to go. But I don't want her in this yard anymore.
So why you are evacuate her out her one place?
It's not... You want the job or you don't
yes,
want
sir.
the job?
All right, I'm sorry, sir.
Come
That's
out
okay.
of my business.
Okay, sir. That's all right. All right, sir. I'm sorry.
When me I tell you I want
yes,
to do,
sir.
I want you to survey the whole premises.
Okay,
You're
sir.
not supposed to in my life story.
Sir,
you don't
I wasn't really going in there, you know, sir. Me just ask you a question because to all the yard look nice and the house. I was saying that I wouldn't.
Well, that is
sir,
my business.
That is your business. I am here
so
to just
is
survey.
So is you alone going to do all of this?
No, sir. My other team partner is coming, sir. I'm very sorry, sir. Sir, and I hope you don't have any hard feelings for what
I don't have any hard feelings against you, but
sir.
you need to leave people business alone.
Okay, sir. All right. I'm very sorry.
Come on, no go like say, you know, live a decent life, I want to check a stop a 4 and 5 man on there with. And I come go like say, you know, live life.
Sir, you don't have to go to that, you know, sir. If me never want to work, you know, some moon stand up make you disrespect me.
Those just stand there, get something do in the place.
You can see so that man there really want wicked, you know. Just by the look at him and why he step out in wife. You can see the man there, the cause of it. Why me I tell us some woman? Why them drop in a phone trap them me I tell you?
I don't know why them Jamaican people are so fast. Imagine she come to do a job and want every damn detail about my business. You can know say she love money now, have one bag of money now. The first thing she want come and ask about life story and everything when she come to evaluate my damn place. I don't know what to do that. So earlier reach up here, man.
My youth, you just come here talk about early? Me ever early? You late so?
So much me live, me can hardly get drive.
Hardly get drive. I must see your woman in a problem because you ever late.
Yeah, my woman in a problem, man.
Because your son hot. Hey, look most because me yard, you know. What kind of crosses? How you get this walk here, by the way?
Virgin put me on the link.
Then you didn't know the link. You know, the man have one piece of all crosses, you know. You know, so when me come and suck my me to the man, so me say to the man, say, why my survey? The man say, the whole of the yard and all the house. Look at the nice house. So me say to him, say, so why you don't survey your own place? The man make me know, say, he might give his wife a divorce. He say, divorce, all man me talk about, you know. So me say to the man, say, you give your wife a divorce, sir. At your age, moon, me shouldn't even say that.
Yeah, you shouldn't say that because I work. We come to work.
Yeah, but me couldn't help it. Me don't know it just fly out of my mouth. So the man make me know, say, him reach him age where him want to live nice and all of that, and his wife a pain in it. So me say, your wife a pain in it. So nothing more than I want a young girl, you know. So when me say to the man now, the man say, him no want her no more because she have to go back to the village. You know, say the man wicked, old man like that. Then me see him do a brown envelope the walking on. Me don't know if I divorce or what, me couldn't tell you. Because him depend a piece of rush. Me don't know what kind of mission him depend.
I understand, but we understand, say, after them life story and the woman I go through a whole heap if she feel left you so, but what we have to do, we have to just do our job.
Me no say
because our meal. You can talk about it, yes, but me would say nothing to you. Me come to do my job and my job me come to do.
Me couldn't help it because when me see that old man there.
Woman still.
Yeah, me have to say it. Then hear him to me, you know, when me go say to the man, say, me divorce at this age, because, well, old man, you know. The man come at me know, say, me, nothing say nothing to him. And me, I could have 4 or 5 man. Me say, well, me...
never fire you to shit.
You well
So
want
me
it
come
done.
here, me have come so far off it turn back.
No man, but guess more. You see, because him well want the work done. Because all in the pan in the hurry me say me fit to the place because I well want to show the woman is. I want wicked man, you know. But for you, the man galang, you know, so the man have nothing about him. And the woman good and nice.
Well, you come for my bread, so anything I have to do up me else have to do it.
You know, say you're not easy too. You're not easy. Look like you don't do your woman the same thing. What is it properly?
Much I get there, sir?
50.
The place look like say about 50 by 100.
Yeah.
So write it down. 50 by 100. And the length there, you know, more than 100.
Yeah, that look like 100.
So 50 by 100. All cow there them place that man.
So me never know so cow that them nice place there.
Alright, so come measure your house and see what
Yeah.
is what. Bring the book now. And the hammer. Honey,
Oi!
how we started there?
Me in the dining room.
So what you are eating now, honey?
Me dey yam some snack. How are you there from morning? You say you dey come back and now you not come back.
Go for the woman here down here, one piece of sitting. We get the divorce paper, you know.
You come. You can't sign it.
She not sign nothing at all, only one piece of problem up there with me and her.
What you mean by one piece of problem? You don't say you don't know sense and you not go. You go to make it sign the paper.
Only but she don't want to sign it. Oh, me go force her. She don't want to sign it. Only me can't hold her down.
I want to know how that don't make me feel good. How that don't make me feel good.
Right now, me have the evaluator them up there evaluate the place.
Well, that is good news.
Come tell her, say we sign here so honey and she no
So
want
you
it.
shouldn't come down here then. Where you come down here for?
So what you want me to stay up there with her?
You tell with her until when she sign the paper. Moreover, you not innocent. Give me, let me say, show me which part of it she fit sign. Make me sign here, you give liar.
Right, that's so honey.
Give me man for your innocence, you know. You know, say you don't tell with the girl till the girl kill you off. The liar one was enough for your signature. Eh? Take this up from me, come in and know make your girl like you know no sense. If you want a young girl, you have to act like you're young, you know.
You have to sign right there, sir.
And so much paper me fi sign.
Right there, sir.
Who me on a fight to? You know no sense, old big old papi show. This simple this you can't make your woman sign.
But
Take it from me.
she don't want to sign it, or you
Don't raise your voice for me. Shut up your mouth.
But your boy say we can't force her to sign something what she don't want to do.
Oh, you mean if
If
you
she want to come out of the house?
you better find out where to make she come out there, you know. Cause me want to know how long me dey go turn down here. How long me dey go turn in this rent house and they pay rent every minute me don't they pay rent. Me don't know why you come down here for, you know.
Honey, you not have to shout, you know.
Oh, you mean say me not fish
You
out?
not have to shout, honey. Me and you hold a conversation. You not have to shout, so honey. Me can't hear you, know, because me the right side of you.
Right now, me not even want you say nothing to me, you know. Me not even want you say nothing to me. Because if I say you dey gonna like you not no sense, then when me and you married, why you don't go along with? Me not see purpose of you come down here this morning again, you know. You went there and you say you dey go up. Go deal with something. Now you can't tell me about your woman couldn't sign this simple scratch something there. So you couldn't scratch yourself and can't go give the liar idiot.
But them know me handwriting, honey.
Try and change up your handwriting. And you didn't looking at me eye like you're not no sense.
What rent come to this month?
Me not have to tell you nothing. If give me the money if you dey give me money. And not ask me no. Give me the whole of this tattoo. I know about you don't take I count you want go count the whole of this here. I count you want count it. How you went down give some out of this here? You try me case and do what you dey doing. Cause me not pay no rent this month, you know. Me want if you do my hair and buy clothes, you know. Oh, that me they tell you. You try make sure she come out by weekend, cause you tell me say weekend me them moving and me big house, you know.
Yeah, honey, but me don't like when you're upset, you know, honey. Me don't like when
Well, why you making me upset?
But
why you?
Me try everything.
You're not trying hard enough. You're not trying hard enough. You got on like you know no sense. And you don't want to start with me, you know. Cause me no like man who go like they no sense, you know. Wow, wipe on me foot, cause me foot they hot me down there so they look and see how wrong with it. Me look like you have sense now. What do it?
No do it, honey.
Oh, you mean say no, what swell up it? Why you do so to it and make it swell up?
If you do something to your foot, honey.
I must kick me panny last night. I kick me, you know. You got for me foot too. Me sick and tired of how you got like you know no sense. You go for make you man sign the paper and now you come back down here with the body man now I sign paper. You make that all little witch they rule you. You know see say I do the witch do your same thing. You know see that?
Honey, all me a search for a peace and love.
And you have it with me and you got like you know no sense like you don't want me love you.
You have to make things alright and you shout and you carry on. That, honey.
That what? How are you love?
Right, you know, honey, you come and say y'all a change.
Change which man?
Because
change
you
what?
just want refuge in a love, honey, and you show me a different attitude.
Oh, I show you different attitude?
Normally, you show me love for everything.
Shut up about that.
You behave so with me, honey.
Me not behave nowhere with you, man. I can't be upset, man, because me want to hear good news and me not hear. Nobody watch what me this thing along.
I tell you, say evaluate them up there, a survey the place and everything.
It look like you're not trying hard enough to make you man come out of me house. And that make me upset.
Everything's alright.
So me not like what you this say, me man. Me not like what you this say. You talk like say you want to change your mind for loving me.
No, honey, but you move with anger now and me never see this side of you.
You never see it because you never get me angry before, but because you care back the divorce paper and show me, that's what get me so angry.
But you sign it, honey. Honey, hold on. You go for my phone.
Why you not go for phone for?
To call the money.
Me can't take them in no life you no more. Me wants to be your wife.
Hold on, honey. Hold on a minute.
Me hear you, but me say me wants to be your wife. That's why me they get so angry. Because me jealous of she and me afraid for she catch you back and you know bother want me.
Yes, good afternoon. Yes, it's Jeremiah. You done survey the place yet?
You better make sure you do it me case.
What you say? The total is $1 million? You sure about that? Alright. Okay then. Thank you guys. Thank you for it. Yeah, thanks for the information. Alright.
What you say, honey?
So me I tell you?
What happened?
Everything will fall into place now. What
I
I tell you?
I want for $1 million.
They say everything, the house with the land, it come up to $1 million.
So you they go pay her $500,000?
Yes, honey. It's best if me just give her half of the money and get her out of the place. So when, honey, me did I tell her, say, if she no want come out of the place, all me I'll go do, I'll get some people, some bailiff or whatsoever, take out the little piece of furniture.
And drag her out of the yard!
Everything in the house, you know, honey, because we can start back fresh, you know.
Me no want her to take out everything.
Honey, make she just go on with everything.
Me no want her
nothing in the house, honey, if you remember. We want me and you start something fresh.
So why you make up your face? Me have my say too. Me no want her to take out everything because me see one big old TV did them. Me no want her to move it. And me love it just a why in a phone room. Me love everything why in a phone room. So me only want her to take out that.
Me no want it in the house.
Her time to make it stay in the next room, but me only want her to have the whole of that baby.
Listen to what me said. Make she take everything. I don't want anything in the house for every time me want me a member for memories with me and her. Me want me and you start new memories. So when me go home, me I go draw 500,000 later, and when me go home, me give her it. So if she no want to come out, well, me take the next step.
Well, listen to me. Me don't feel say if you give her the whole 500,000 one time. Why you not give her 350 and wire the rest? So she
No.
got on with that day.
No, honey. Me and her go through a lot, and I think she should get her fair share. Right? She should get her fair share.
Me no feel say me and you feel no more conversation till you sort out yourself.
So what you want me to go back home then?
Never see so.
So no sort everything a come. Honey, everything a fall into place, you know. You have to just bear with me, you know.
Me be here long enough and you tell me say me dey go sleep with me man by weekend and not even that you can do for me.
So by weekend she no must out of the house. Even for round up some thugs and get her out, she have to come out, you know. She have to come out. Even to go for the thugs and some goons as them call themselves. I have to do everything, you know, honey, if you get this speedily, you know. To show you how me love it strong for you. Get the goons them to get her out. When they hold her and jog her and dash her out in front of everybody. And that she call them for herself, you know.
Oh, you mean?
Yes.
Me like how you dey talk. Now you're talking like you's my bad man. Now you're talking like you's my bad man.
What goons out there, some thugs, you know, honey. And just me if you whistle and they're ready, you know.
Well,
Give
whistle
them
it, honey.
$10,000 and them do the damage to me.
Go and whistle it and do it for me, baby. I'll be right here waiting for you.
So what you up to for the rest of the year?
I am just going to relax right here, sir. And hear what else you have to. Me just want you go up there, go do the rest. Dash her out.
So I'll be going to the bank and enjoy the money and give her 500,000. So if she still a play hard, me run up the goons them and make them get her out. Right?
Good job, my man. I saw me want you galang in. I saw me want you galang.
Give me a little kiss before me go.
Oh, you mean if me don't give you a kiss?
A little kiss.
Oh, you mean if me don't give you a kiss? Me little bud pitney, give me some more. Give me some more. That tastes like chocolate.
Later we'll come back, yeah?
Alright, me man. Look for me, man.
Yeah, la, Zion.
Sister Petra.
Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Jesus, to the right path. That no weapon formed against me shall never prosper. Oh, lead me, Lord. Walk with me, Lord, to the right path. That no weapon formed against me shall never prosper.
Throw the coconut and make we broke them. Spin your roll and dip and disturb them. We are gonna work tonight and set a order. The more them fight, the more we go harder.
La da 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 da. Said the angel them a pass through. Where the banner high, way up in the sky. Say I am waiting for a message. A message from the Lord. Da da dee, da da da, da da da. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Jesus, to the right path. That no weapon formed
metal are we. Rock we come fi rock Zion. All them a try fi stop we from trying. We stand firm and strong just like lion. Them can't move we fly.